Fluke offers a couple of different testing solutions depending on the project, depending on the frequency of testing, and depending on the client that they're actually testing for. So beginning with a more basic EV adapter, which will carry out all the necessary tests, that's perhaps more suited to somebody who's doing it occasionally and offering it as an additional service to existing clients or looking for new business. Those that are installing, perhaps for an example in a supermarket, where you've got multiple stations on one site, it requires a little bit more time on site, more documentation time. And with the Fluke solutions, we're able to offer a solution which will store the test results in its memory, bring it back to the PC software, and by creating individual projects and sites within that EV adapter, makes the whole process much more streamlined to download into existing client files, minimizing the downtime and the extra time to manipulate that data.